Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing data and establishing the pipeline so display output is reliable. First, inspect sources and normalize formats. This prevents misalignment on the screen. Once done, map fields to your display schema and set clear refresh expectations. Make sure to pick the right transport, WebSocket for real-time, HTTP for polling, and enable TLS so data integrity and privacy are preserved. Finally, test one small payload end-to-end to confirm the path before building visual components. Now you create and optimize the visuals that will render the data efficiently. Start by choosing the right chart type and lay out the viewport with responsive sizing. This ensures readability across displays. Then implement transforms, aggregate, downsample, or paginate so you only draw necessary points. Once done, wire data binding and choose a fast renderer, Canvas/GPU, when updates exceed a few per second. Also add buffering and debouncing. This reduces flicker and keeps animation smooth, while preserving accuracy for viewers. Finish by hardening the display and deploying with observability so you can maintain it. Deploy to an environment with caching and CDN rules to lower latency, and set up metrics and error logs to detect dropped or stale frames. Once live, validate end-to-end timing so metrics align with real time. If values look shifted, check timestamp parsing and time zone offsets. That's the most common error. If problems persist, roll back recent transforms, replay raw payloads, and trace where mismatched types or missing fields occur.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.